In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save changes on Elementor. When you're working on a page in Elementor, it's really important to understand how and when your changes are actually saved, so you don't lose any of your work. Let's walk through what you'll see in the editor and what each option means. First, make sure you're inside the Elementor editor on the page you want to work on. This is the screen where you see your live page in the center and the Elementor panel on the left. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where Elementor gives you the main control for saving what you've done. In that top right area, you'll see a prominent button. Depending on what kind of page you're working on, this button will say either Update or Publish. If you're editing an existing page, something that's already live or has been created before, the button will say Update. Clicking Update will take all the changes you've made in the editor and apply them to that existing page. In other words, you're refreshing the live version with your new edits. If you're working on a brand new page that hasn't been made public yet, the button will say Publish. When you click Publish, Elementor saves your content and makes that page live on your site, so visitors can see it. This is a key difference. Update is for modifying something that already exists, while Publish is for putting a new page out into the world for the first time. Now, sometimes you might not be ready for your changes to go live. Maybe you're still experimenting with layouts or content and you want to come back later to finish. In that case, instead of using Update or Publish directly, look just to the right of that main button. You'll see a small downward pointing arrow. Click that small arrow to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, one of the options you'll see is Save Draft. Choosing Save Draft lets you store your progress without making the page visible to your visitors or changing what they currently see. This is especially useful when you want to keep your work in progress private while you refine it. So remember, use Update for existing pages, Publish for brand new ones, and Save Draft from the drop-down when you want to keep editing without going live yet.